You upload a video and do everything right, but the views barely move. And here's the crazy part. It's not because the content is bad, it's because the YouTube algorithm has changed for 2026. It chooses who gets pushed and who gets buried. And today I'm going to show you the real reason your videos stopped getting recommended and how to fix it fast. But to understand what changed, you need to know one thing that YouTube cares about, more than CTR, retention, or even watch time. Everyone thinks they know how the YouTube algorithm works, but everyone I coach is missing the new #1 ranking signal. A signal is so important that YouTube is now predicting your video performance even before it gets impressions. In a moment, you're going to hear exactly what the signal is, but first, you need to understand why YouTube changed the system in the first place. Most creators think that the algorithm is just a machine that rewards great content. No, that's not true. The algorithm is a machine that rewards viewer behavior. This means not what you want to post, not what your subscribers want, but what the viewer is already watching in that exact moment. And this is where almost every channel loses momentum, because the algorithm no longer cares about the best video. It cares about the next best video. Hold on to that idea because it explains why your views have stopped growing. Comment below if you've noticed a shift in what your audience is currently binge watching lately. What changed? But now let's get to the part you're waiting for. So what's the big change in 2026? YouTube now ranks videos based on something called viewer journey continuity. This means YouTube asks, does your video keep the viewer on the same viewing path they're currently on? If the answer is yes, it gets pushed. If the answer is no, impressions will collapse. This is why your old proven tactics stop working. It's not your editing, it's not your hook, not your thumbnail. It's simply that your video didn't match your viewer's current session. Here's a hot tip. The YouTube algorithm doesn't just connect long-form videos together, it connects to everything, including shorts. This means if people watch your shorts, they'll automatically be associated with your main content, and as a result, YouTube will start recommending your long-form content to them. Here's how you can use this hot tip. Every time you post a long-form video, create multiple shorts and link them to your long-form video. Try Nexus Clips. It turns your long-form videos into multiple shorts. It automatically finds your most engaging moments, adds captions, and formats your video for shorts. Some of my shorts attract more views and subscribers than my long-form videos. Uploading shorts to your channel is a highly effective way to reach an audience that doesn't normally watch your long-form videos. You can turn one long-form video into multiple shorts to expand your reach. For example, the top YouTuber, Mr. Beast, with over 376 million subscribers, gets millions of views on his shorts. More content with less effort. If you're serious about growing on YouTube long term and not just chasing one viral hit, try Nexus Clips and let your content work harder for you. Link is in the description. Use coupon code Herman to get 10% off. But here's where it gets really interesting. YouTube now uses a predictive model that determines your fate even before anyone sees your video. It looks at what similar viewers are watching, what topic they're binging on, what they watched right before this, and whether your new video fits that pattern. This means that even a great video gets crushed if it breaks the viewer journey. I'll give you a quick example from my own channel. A few months ago, I uploaded a YouTube monetization tips video, nothing unusual. But before I hit publish, YouTube already predicted how it would perform based upon what my audience was binge watching that week. So I checked my analytics. What were my viewers binge watching? It wasn't monetization, it was auto dubbing, translation tools, and global audience features. My new video didn't match the current viewer's journey, so YouTube barely gave it any impressions. Not because the video was bad, but the predictive model decided my audience wasn't likely to click based on their recent patterns. That was a light bulb moment for me. The algorithm wasn't reacting to my video, it was predicting my viewers. Comment below what video topic do you think you need to return to regain momentum. So how to get back into alignment with what viewers are watching today. That's where the 2026 growth blueprint comes in. The first rule is simple. Make videos that match what your ideal viewer is binge watching now. Not last month, not last year, not what you feel like posting today. For example, if a viewer is currently watching a video on monetization tips and you upload a video about camera settings, the algorithm doesn't punish you, it just ignores you because it doesn't match the current viewer's present behavior. But here's an even bigger tip, one that silently kills momentum without even you noticing. The YouTube algorithm for 2026 now favors topic momentum, not variety. Comment below what's your current best performing topic. I'd love to know, and I'm sure others would too. Creators used to be able to upload tutorials, then a blog, then some gear, then a strategy video, and still get views. Not anymore. For example, if your last 3 videos trained the algorithm to see you as a YouTube growth creator, and suddenly you upload a day in the life vlog, you break your momentum. YouTube no longer knows who to show your video to. And when the system is confused, it chooses someone else. But here's the twist. Even if you stay on topic, you can still lose momentum if you ignore the new retention rule. In the old days, raw retention mattered most. How long did people watch your video? But in 2026, YouTube cares about something more accurate. Predictive retention. How long do similar viewers watch videos like this across YouTube? This means before your video gets pushed, YouTube already estimates when viewers will drop, whether they'll click on another video, whether your topic keeps them in session, and whether you match their binge behavior. This is why two videos with exactly the same retention can perform totally differently. The new rule is simple. Your video has to fit the pattern, not just the performance. There's one type of video guaranteed to kill your growth. The creative detour video. It's a video you upload just because you felt like it. A different style, a random topic, something your audience didn't come for. For example, I was uploading a video series on auto dubbing and they were getting a ton of views. For example, this video on why YouTube dubbing is on by default and how to disable it has currently over 9,000 views. When I uploaded this unrelated video on drone shots that instantly hook viewers, it only received a total of 190 views. It was a video I uploaded because I felt like it. It was a different topic, different style, and obviously what most of my viewers were not interested in. That single topic can reset your topic association and choke your momentum for weeks. But don't worry, because there's a way to instantly recover if this has already happened to you. To regain the YouTube algorithm's trust, you need only one thing: a viewer intent reset video. Here's how it works. Go to your top performing topic, find the exact viewer intent that drove the views. Make a fresh, modern version of it. Use a tight hook, updated title, and a sharper angle. This video becomes the anchor that realigns you with your viewer behavior. And usually within 24 to 72 hours, you'll see impressions start climbing again. That's exactly what I'm doing for this video series on the YouTube algorithm. But there's still one problem. YouTube also predicts your success before you upload. And most creators sabotage themselves without realizing it. And that's why you need to understand this final piece. When you upload a video, YouTube compares it against a hidden checklist. Does it match viewer binge behavior? Does it connect to your recent topic pattern? Will similar viewers watch more videos after this one? Does the title and thumbnail signal a predictable journey? If your answer is no to any of these, your video will only be exposed to a tiny test pool. And if that fails, it's game over. But if you optimize for viewer journey continuity, YouTube will push your content deeper into the recommendation system, and your momentum will return. Now that you understand the real reason your videos won't get pushed in 2026, there's one more secret you need to know. YouTube doesn't judge your videos, it judges your viewers. And if you want YouTube to send you the right viewers, you need to train the YouTube algorithm correctly. Watch this next video on how to attract the right viewers and train the YouTube algorithm in 2026. Once you understand that, your channel growth becomes predictable again.